It has always been a heartwarming experience to see people transforming from a person who is afraid of a mouse even to a person who can use the computer for his day-to-day life.
It is uniting all the stratas of society by its thread of digitalization.
I got associated with ST Foundation in 2003.
My association with ST Foundation for more than 9 years
15 years.
16, 17 years.
3 to 4 years,
12 years.
gave me the opportunity to give my good deed back to the society.
Motivation coming from our ex-CEO, Pascal Historio. Now, why I got associated with this was because I found that when we have worked so much from the society, we'll have to give it back to them.
it was a great experience volunteering by teaching the teachers in the school and like teaching the inmates in the jails.
I remember there was one of the programs which was organized specially for senior citizens. After completion of the course, those smiles and glimpses of joy on their faces brought tremendous personal satisfaction to me.
As a member, when I was teaching these underprivileged students of the society, I came to know about various things which as an individual I was not aware. Now I know basically how I can teach new things in a simple manner. It is helping in a personal life also because I need to teach my child also.
The main reason for joining this project or you can say this drive by ST towards society, because I wanted to contribute to the society as my responsibility.
I had joined ST Foundation as volunteer in 2011 as I started taking sessions of different sections of society which are underprivileged, family members of my colleagues, the grandparents, children. So I was just inspired by the zeal of their learning, the new skills which they were able to take from this session. The last day of every session brings very good memories for us. Some of them are able to share their experience of their learning, how they are imbibing into their day-to-day activities.
I took a class of senior citizens. It was really amazing experience of my life. It's only not the contribution to the society, it's also a deep connection with our society where you can get love, respect, learning and also immense knowledge.
Being in the IT field, this is the great opportunity for me that we can at least bridge the IT gap between the less privileged and the more privileged.
My learning with this program I think it has definitely made me a better person, a more empathetic one, because it has told me that learning has no boundaries.
So it was a very good, or I can say golden opportunity for me to join this project and serve the society, to our people and benefit them from whatever I know.
Last but not the least, I also want to thank ST Foundation in giving us the opportunity to be part of their mission, which is to bridge the digital divide.